and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine and today's video is another Tellin' What I'm Selling. If you're new to my channel and you're like, what the hell is Tellin' What I'm Selling? My existing subscribers know that I have a side hustle where I list items that I don't use anymore on buy-sell sites such as Kijiji and Facebook Marketplace. It's just another way to make some quick cash. In these videos, I like to show you the item that I'm selling and list the amount that I'm selling for. I also like to tell you which site the customer contacted me on, and I like to give you the reason why I'm selling as well. And if I purchase something with the money, I like to show you what I bought. Sometimes I don't always buy anything with the money, I'll just bank it, but when I do buy something, I like to show you. Of course, the customer contacted me on Facebook Marketplace. I do very well on Facebook Marketplace. It's super easy to create an ad, and she contacted me for this. It's by Hours, and it's a 3-in-1 cleansing facial oil. I listed it for $5. The reason that I'm selling, simply, I don't know if you can see, maybe if I turn my light down. Oh, you probably can't see. But the reason I'm selling is simply because I hardly used it. I used it a couple times and I didn't like the feeling on my face. I don't know, it just didn't really jive with me. If you have tried this cleanser before, let me know what your thoughts are below. And I have a question for you. Would you have sold this or would you have used it? Like, you get a really decent amount, like 240 milliliters. It's a lot of product inside. But again, it just didn't jive with me. The customer is sending me the money by electronic funds transfer, so there's no contact with money. We can still social distance as well. I'll be meeting her downstairs in the lobby of my building. If you are going to sell items, always meet them in a safe place if you can. Obviously, if you're selling something like a couch, of course, they're gonna have to come to your home. Make sure that somebody's with you. You do have to be safe. I'll be back. I'm gonna go ahead and meet her, and I have some ideas on what I'm going to use the money for. Hey lovelies, so I'm back. I met with the customer, everything went fine. I did go to Walmart because I had some things to pick up, and I got these. I absolutely love them. They are Nature Valley biscuits, and this is in the flavor coconut butter. Oh my god, they are absolutely delicious. A nice snack. Like, I had one last night after my workout at the gym and a protein shake, and I was fine. Like, they are so delicious. I believe they come in other flavors too, but I love these ones. That's everything to my video. If you enjoyed my selling video, give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, leave them down below. Thanks for watching, lovelies, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!